Welcome to our channel. If you want to check the transmission fluid level in your vehicle using the Dipstick, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper fluid levels. Step 1. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn on the engine. Let it run for a few minutes to warm up the transmission fluid to operating temperature. Step 2. Locate the transmission dipstick under the hood. It is usually labeled with transmission or has a red or yellow handle, distinct from the oil dipstick. Step 3. Leave the engine running and shift through all gears, pausing briefly in each position before returning to park. This circulates fluid through the transmission system. Step 4. Pull out the transmission dipstick and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth or paper towel. This ensures an accurate reading on the next check. Step 5. Reinsert the dipstick fully into the tube, then pull it out again to check the fluid level. Observe where the fluid line falls on the dipstick markings. Step 6. Check that the fluid level is between the minimum and maximum marks, usually labeled as cold and hot, or with crosshatch markings. The level should be in the hot range when the engine is warm. Step 7. Inspect the fluid color and smell. Healthy transmission fluid is typically red or pink and has no burnt odor. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid indicates a problem. Step 8. Add fluid if necessary through the dipstick tube using a funnel. Add small amounts at a time and recheck the level to avoid overfilling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.